Hi, my name is Jason Simental. I'm an instructor for the automotive program at Universal Technical Institute. So my background, I've always been around cars. My father was an auto technician, had his own shop. I mean, it's like getting a box of Legos and trying to put it together without directions. It's not going to end up well, right? Same thing with automotive. You need to understand what you're doing in order to make that repair successful. So when you enroll here, you're going to learn how to change tires, take them off the rim, remount them, balance them. You're going to learn how to change suspension components, diagnose suspension steering issues, and be able to do a brake job. So you're learning quite a bit in that one course. And with all the introductory courses, you're just kind of learning the basics. And then once you're through with those, they're going to move you into advanced courses. So there is the online work. It almost takes place of the lecture, if you will. Once you come into class, we make our transition down here to lab, and that's where we get the hands-on. And all of this, though, is still a stepping stone, right? Once you get out in the field, you're going to continue learning until you're done, until you're done with the profession. And with the education, the employers, they see that as, the student, they took the time to go to school. That right there says, all right, this student is totally capable of coming into my shop, utilizing what they learned and putting it to work and be an excellent technician. There's a student here that I met at a nursery. He worked there. He saw my uniform. He's like, I like cars, but I don't know anything about them, and I don't want to go to a four-year school. Is this something I can do? And I was like, absolutely. Even if we are super green, we don't know anything about cars other than we put fuel in them and do oil changes occasionally. If you're willing to sit there and listen and absorb and learn, it's totally something that you can do.